a small line up. We're going to bring it around to the bottom. Make sure it didn't touch the other line. One more time. And then once we've reached the side, we're going to bring it down like a U and up to the other side. So we're going to do a few of those. Up, around, and U to connect. One more. Around, and a U. And then let's do one right here. Up, around, and a U. So we made 4 little roses. And now we're going to make the stem, and then stem. We can add little leaves too. Okay, for the leaf, you just want to kind of like swoop up and point, swoop down and point. You could do a little line right there. You could do as many leaves as you want. Okay, now to finish off our bouquet. To finish off our bouquet, start from the side here, down, and around. Notice we didn't bring our stem all the way down, just a little below the lowest rose that you made. Now, we're gonna, connect this down to the middle, and here down to the middle, and we're going to make circle and make this a bow. You can add little lines there, and then a little triangle at the bottom. We're going to replicate